Length. Jiro the giraffe got an apple. He kept it on his head like a crown and was roaming here and there. Mumu the monkey saw it and wanted it on his head. Jiro agreed. For this, he needed to bring the apple down. He wanted to reach the head of Jiro, but was unable to. So he called his wise friend Toto. What is length? Toto said it is the distance between one end to other end or one point to other. We measure how long, how tall or how much apart. These are length measurements. What are the standard units of length? Millimeter, which is represented by mm. Centimeter, which is represented by cm. Meter, which is represented by m. Kilometer, which is represented by km. These are the units and their symbols. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. We can say 1 cm is equal to 10 mm. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 m is equal to 100 cm. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 km is equal to 1000 m. Momo brought a ladder of the exact measurement as told by Toto and was able to take the apple. Momo was happy to keep it on his head like a crown. Jiro too was happy sharing and playing with Momo. Standard units of length. If we take a scale, it has a standard labeling of millimeter and centimeter. The small line represents 1 millimeter and the bigger ones are centimeter lines. Distance between one big line to other big line is 1 centimeter. If we see closely, we can find 9 small markings which makes 10 spacings between two bigger markings. Each spacing is equal to 1 mm. So we can say 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Konark and his sister Antara were arguing whose circle was bigger. Konark has circle A and Antara had circle B. They did not reach a solution and went to Toto for help. Toto gave them a measurement scale and asked to measure the diameter of circles. Konark measured his circle and found the diameter to be 13 centimeter. Konark then measured Antara's circle and found the diameter to be 12 centimeter. Toto explained them that diameter of Konark's circle is 13 centimeter and Antara's circle is 12 centimeter. Hence, Konark's circle is bigger than that of Antara's. Conversion of units of length. Refreshing the previous slides. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So if we need to convert kilometer to meter, we need to multiply by 1000. Again, if we need to convert from meter to centimeter, we need to multiply by 100. If we need to convert from centimeter to millimeter, we need to multiply by 10. Similarly, if we need to convert from millimeter to centimeter, we have to divide by 10. If we need to convert from centimeter to meter, we need to divide by 100. If we need to convert from meter to kilometer, we need to divide by 1000. If we are asked how many centimeter is in 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer is 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. To convert kilometer to centimeter, we need to multiply. We'll multiply 1000 into 100, which gives a result of 1 lakh. 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. Let's find how many millimeter is in 10 centimeter. To refresh, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So how much will be 10 centimeter in terms of millimeter? We will multiply 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Therefore, 10 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeter. Pankaj started his journey from Delhi towards Shimla. At the same time, his friend Ashish started his journey from Shimla towards Delhi. After travelling for 170 kilometers, Ashish found Pankaj relaxing at a beautiful place. Pankaj informed that he had already travelled 180 kilometers. As he was driving in plains, he was faster. Few points from the story. Pankaj started his journey from Delhi towards Shimla. At the same time, his friend Ashish started his journey from Shimla towards Delhi. After travelling for 170 kilometers, Ashish found Pankaj relaxing at a beautiful place. Pankaj informed that he had already travelled 180 kilometers. As he was driving in plains, he was faster. Let's solve few questions. What is the total distance between Delhi to Shimla? How much distance Ashish needs to travel to reach Delhi? How much distance Pankaj needs to travel to reach Shimla? Happy learning!